What's up, you guys, and welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, winter's finally done. It's time to update you guys on the company and how everything's going. So before we hop into any of this, let's go ahead and check out the warehouse. All right, so for today, we're actually gonna be taking you guys through how to tint these two windows and this windshield. All right, so we're doing 35% on the sides, 50% on the windshield. I'm gonna walk you guys through how we shrink this thing, install it, and show you guys how well ONYX window film shrinks. If you guys don't know, we actually got a new rebrand. It's ONYX, pretty cool, and let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start with prepping the windshield. So prep is pretty simple. All we're gonna do is spray either water, some sort of soap solution on there, and all we're gonna do is just wipe it off. So you just need a squeegee. Go ahead and close this door. Now the product we're gonna be using today is what ceramic? Carbon 50. This is our carbon line. It's a very great product. It's a gold standard product we carry here at ONYX Window Films. Technically, it's ONYX Automobilia now. So where have we been? It's a question everyone wants to know. No one wants to know that. We have been spending a lot of money on giveaway cars and product. All right, guys, so one of the most important steps to shrinking, and if you don't do this using dryer sheets, highly recommend trying this out. So you get a non-absorbent microfiber, you're gonna spray with your slip solution, and you're gonna grab a Dove bar soap. You're just gonna go like this. Once it's nice and soapy, then you're gonna grab it, and you're just gonna apply it. See how thick of a coating this is, guys? This is exactly what you need when shrinking. It makes it much easier. A lot of you guys might be fighting your film because you don't have enough soap on your windshield. Now you can use dryer sheets. This is just the method that I've gotten used to, and I've noticed it works really well. All right, so now we're gonna let it dry. So it's gonna take probably about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on this passenger window, or I can actually prep the inside. Actually, let's prep the inside of the windshield. So we will not be using a soak rope for this one just because there is no room at all. What we will be doing though is putting a towel down. This is gonna help prevent any excess water getting on the panel. So we're just gonna spray. Don't go crazy with it. We're gonna scrubby pad. And well, truly, like with a car like this age, you want to actually like clean this section. There's a lot of dirt gets in here. All right, just like that. Now, actually, does this one have a? Oh, it's probably gonna have like a line in the middle there. All right, now I'm asked Jared to clean that side. So not only is he a videographer, he's a pretty useless window tinter.
Wow, thanks.
We're gonna be doing a training every quarter, once a quarter. That's it. Just if you snag your spots, we're probably gonna have between like 6 to 8 people per class, probably maximum 10 since we're only gonna be doing it once every quarter. So that'll be available soon, so keep an eye out. But let's get back to the install. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be putting a line across the middle. What this does is it gives us an anchor so we can actually lay the film down and it doesn't move on us. So now we're gonna grab the film, unroll it, and shrink. Okay, so you want to reverse roll. What that means is I'm reversing the film like it's already pre-cut, right? I'm going to basically roll it up the opposite direction that it was rolled in. So when I let go, it wants to come back. How nice this color is. Every installer should try this. Excuse the mess, Jared is not clean. All right, so we're laying it down and we're going to unroll the film. Okay, basically just getting the film on the glass. All right, guys, now the benefits of ONYX window films. So all of our products are super easy to shrink. They're durable. They're very fast to shrink as well. A lot of films, they're either too thin or they're too thick. Ours is a perfect blend of the two. It's a 1.5 mil, very easy to work with. So I like to turn on the heat gun, let it warm up, especially in cold temperatures like this. And as you can see here, look how the film shrinks just so nicely. This is what you want in a shop. You want something that the film is working with you. You're not working against it. And a lot of it is prep, guys. I prep the glass so that way when I shrink, I'm not fighting with the film. Next step is to pull the liner, and we're gonna reverse roll it again. So spray, really soak the film. All right, guys, so we cleaned out the windshield. Now we need to just wipe it down. This is just so we can see when we're working. That's it. So now we've already prepped, as you guys saw. And now we are going to reverse roll. So we stuck the film in the opposite side that we rolled it. Now you want to be really careful not to wrinkle it, because a lot of beginners wrinkle the film in this stage because they're not careful. Now we're using the 2-man method. Guys, we slept 4 hours because we had a commercial job this morning, so things are weird at the HQ today. Dude, this is a great tool, guys. You can buy this somewhere online on Amazon, I think. Horsehairs? Are these actually horsehairs? Like actual? Are they actual horsehairs? Okay, well if they're actually look at how nice they like lay it down.
And you don't have to worry about crispy film either.
Look at how nicely that lays down. So look at that tool, guys. Look at that. You can comb your hair with that brush. I think you need a trim.
Yeah.
You know, just like every BMW in existence, there's always an extra step. We're gonna use our tools. Bam. All right, guys, while we're here, I wanna show you guys giveaway 001. Now this one's actually gonna be having a deadline starting in the next few days. We have been running, this is our first official giveaway. Thank you guys for being patient. This is gonna be given away, the last 30 days is gonna be March 1st. March 1st starting forward is going to be the timeline to get your last entries, and we're going to be giving this away to someone hopefully like 1 to 2 weeks after that. So we have to let all the entries come in, pay off the car, all that stuff. So as you can see here, this right here is the Z. Now we just made some modifications recently, upgraded the stickers, not really modifications, but that's the new branding, ONYX. We got the QR code over here on the spoiler, and we still have to add, like, I think we already did. We added our Instagram handle there. And this car, guys, if you're watching this, and if it's before April, you can still get your entries in. And we have another one outside that's giveaway too. But yeah, this has cost us a lot of money, so make sure to get some entries in. Support our channel. Any order of window film also gets you entries. So every single time you order, every single checkout, you get entries into our raffle. So just a little shout out. Let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so here is the final tint. So this is 50. See how it looks outside in the shade. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like actually out in the sun. Now, this is our most popular VLT when it comes to windshields. It just looks really good. It's very, very minimal tint. I don't have any issues with police. I mean, you can, but it's very, very rare. BMW, 50%, all done. We're just gonna need a thumbnail. But, video's not done here. Now, we've got Chevrolet Colorado. This one's gonna be easy peasy, because I, your master sensei, have been tinting for a long time. 10 minutes on the BMW, and then we'll check on it. So, let's pull in the Chevy, print out the stuff, and let's get going. This one, I think it's a brand new 2025, right? I think so. See you guys later. All right, so what's the strategy with this vehicle? Actually, probably not 45 minutes. We have the windshield, but strategy is, let's prep the front windshield, get it ready to shrink, so that way it's dry. Once it's dry, patterns will all be printed out. We start on this one, work our way around the whole vehicle. Looks like it's a 3-piece back windshield as well. So with the computer cut software, this is an easy peasy car. If you don't have computer cut, well, my friend, get one. Get a plotter. If you don't have it, you're gonna have to hand cut everything, and it just takes more time. Here, as a professional shop, we don't have to hand cut anything because we pay money for softwares. All right, guys, so we are actually done. We couldn't get any B-roll just because Jared was busy and we were installing. So we got 5 in the back, we've got 20 in the front in our carbon series, and we're about to do 50 on the front. So we'll show you guys this part. But yeah, this car was pretty quick, about less than an hour. So sometimes we can't actually capture the video just because we're like moving fast. So Jesus is shrinking right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the interior, and let's install. You ready, baby Jesus? All right, guys, so the Colorado is, oh yeah, it's locked. It's now done. We're gonna pull it out, do a final inspection, and be ready to go. Now we got one more car, 2 front windows, and then we're calling it a day here at ONYX Window Films. All right, so we've got 5 in the back, 20 in the front, and the 50 on the very front windshield. And then there is some overcast today, so it's gonna look darker than normal. But as you can see, you can still see into the vehicle. Looks really good. Hopefully this customer gives us a review because we gave them a Starbucks gift card. But looks really good. All right, guys, so we are all done with this vehicle. Got 20% on the sides, and we had enough time to install some decals. Now, here is my personal vehicle. I love this thing. I will never, ever get rid of it. The ONYX branding on the sun strip. Now let's go look at giveaway 002. And obviously these are huge risks, guys. If you're watching these videos, this giveaways are part of our way to, you know, entice customers to buy. Every order gets you, every checkout gets you entries. So ONYX branding. Still got the OG Rpfilms, but this is giveaway car 002. Right now they are dual entries. So this car and the Z, when you order online, you're getting entries into both. So this one has 5,000 checkouts. That one over there has 2,000 checkouts. So very, very good odds of winning. So if you're a window tinter, every checkout you do gets you orders or gets you entries to win. So that one's getting raffled up first, and then we're doing the other one. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. This is just us keeping you guys up to date and a quick tutorial for you guys. Give you guys an idea of what our products are like. Again, if you're interested in any of our products, you can go to rpwindowfilms.com. We have merch, we have window film. That's what we're mostly known for. And we have our giveaway cars and leather products, which are just cool automotive and style products. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm on my way home. I only slept 4 hours last night. Got a newborn and stuff, so life's been kind of crazy right now, but all is good. We are on our way up. If you guys want to become a dealer, make sure to fill out the dealer application form. I'll leave a link below. Carry our products in your shop. It's going to be a game changer for you. You guys are going to make a lot of money with our products, and you'll enjoy using them the entire time. So hope you guys enjoy, guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.